All right, friends, welcome back into the shop. It's great to have y'all here. Now, I'm very excited to say that the vise is fixed. It's actually on my workbench right now. I've been using it for about a week, and I didn't think it was possible. I'm so excited. The man who repaired it is Keith Rucker. Did an amazing job. He brazed it and basically welded that cast iron back together. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me give a little recap. So I posted about this about 2 videos back, but a month ago I was installing this vise, which I purchased from a gentleman, and I've always wanted one of these Oliver Power pattern maker vises. They're really great in the fact that they can swivel and move, and just really great holding capabilities for small pieces or large pieces. They're just pretty awesome. I've always wanted one. And I was installing it on the workbench, sitting there with a chisel, hammering a mortise out for the plate. And I had it poorly positioned on the bench, the vise itself, and the vibration from mortising actually shook it off, and it had a severe break. The back jaw broke in half. And to be honest with you, I just didn't think it was repairable. If I didn't have YouTube, I probably would have scrapped it. I decided to share a video of my dumb mistake, and I just got an influx of support and comments of what to do about this thing. And Keith Rucker had already kicked in my head, but I emailed him and he was game to jump on and try to repair this. Awesome guy, amazingly talented, and I gotta tell you, I'm just blown away at what he did. So I want to encourage y'all to go watch his repair video. It's super interesting. It's about 30 minutes of him brazing this thing. I'm going to link that in the description, and go subscribe to his channel. Help support him. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video. Right now I want to jump in and show y'all how we got it all installed and show you how it works and why it's such a cool vise to have in the shop. Got more 4-quarter back there too, right?
Yeah.
The bandsaw?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this is oversized.
Well, you could glue them on at an 1/8 and mill like a 1/16 off of there for heavy, and then when you sand these, you'll take even more off. So it makes that even thinner. So, well, let's say we'll do an 1/8 round over. Yeah, I do an 1/8. I do these oversized.
Yeah, I'll leave those oversized because I can mill those down.
The way you're thinking's right. You got it.
I know you got that going on. I had to
Yeah.
talk it out.
No, I think you got it. Yeah.
You know, for the things that have gone wrong, there's been some really great things. Having the extra lumber.
There's always got to be a positive, right?
Having, you know, the client willing to pay for the extra height on the pieces,
Yep.
which makes up for that other piece.
Yeah.
Not all bad.
It'll work out.
All right, what's the plan?
I got blankets here as a safety measure.
It's good.
Pick it up, slide it in there. I got the bolts ready.
Okay.
I got the ratchet ready.
Okay.
Here.
Cool.
Yep. Grab it from, yeah. Oh, got heavier. That still made it heavier. Yeah.
That's not a good spot.
You kind of squirting that back way. Am I doing anything?
No.
Nope.
I think underneath here where it's easier. Look at my arm out here. Okay.
It's moving on us. Okay. What are we hitting? Okay, it works.
It's rubbing. We're hitting over here. I don't know if I'll do much, but. Piece of mine.
Boom. Not bad. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, if I didn't have the steel plate on there, it would be flush to here.
Right.
This is too low, unfortunately, but I think we can fix that. This is too low.
You want them to be above
The wood or
Just
the
in
metal,
case.
yeah. This one would be hard to fix though. I might just super glue a piece on them.
Yeah. Alright, so these,
That is if you have a tapered piece.
it'll do that.
Yeah, so you gotta
closed. Okay.
And then you put the piece in there, you know, it's going to support it.
Right. Okay. Is there a way to lock it so it doesn't swivel?
I guess if you back them all the way out.
No, I'm talking about like the whole.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's this. This mounts like right here, and then has this dude on it.
Oh, okay.
This goes to the vise, and then this goes in here, and
it's not even close to done.
I mean, it's pretty far. I don't know if I'll do this
Yeah.
today or not, but I feel like if I'm this far, I might as well.
Did it? In the ones you've looked at, are they typically mounted on the outside of a leg or on the inside, or is it?
I think they're typically mounted on the outside, but a lot of them are just mounted
On top.
Yeah, they don't cut out to
Yeah.
get it in like that.
Which I don't think that's a bad idea.
No, a lot of people do that
Yeah.
too. I mean, I think it's a matter of preference.
I think it keeps a majority of the bench open and accessible.
Yeah.
You know, because a big piece can still lay across this without interference.
Right.
Which is probably what you were thinking.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. Cool. This thing's incredible. I'm just so pumped that this thing's on here.
What?
This thing's incredible.
Yeah.
Okay, so the vise is all installed. It works beautifully. I'm having a lot of fun kind of figuring out how I can use this and implement into my work. A couple things real quick. First, I want to say a thanks to my viewers. The amount of comments and emails I got after this thing broke of just encouragement and also ideas on how to fix it. I'm just grateful for that. I mean, honestly, that's one of my favorite things about YouTube is the community and the people who watch my videos who know a lot more about some of this than I do are always willing to give a lending hand. So I appreciate that. I had a lot of people suggest I send it to Keith Rucker. That is the first person that came to my mind. And that's who I reached out to. And I guess Keith is an awesome guy. I mean, he fixed this thing. He didn't give me any promises that he could fix it, but he was 100% on board with doing it. And I had a pretty good feeling he would figure it out. I think he's a very talented machinist, mechanic, craftsman, whatever you want to call him. He's just a man that knows a lot. And he took care of the problem, fixed it up beautifully. Keith did all of this without charging me. I even offered to pay for materials, for shipping. He didn't take any of that from me. And that is amazing. I'm so grateful for that. So I want to make a big ask of my followers, my subscribers on my channel. I would really appreciate it if we can return the favor to Keith by y'all going over right now, subscribing. I didn't show a lot of the brazing on this repair in my video because I want you to go over to Keith's and watch it. He has a 30-minute video on how he repaired this. It is just incredibly interesting to watch him braze this and repair it, and the thoughtfulness and the care he took in the repair process is right up there with how I would want to do anything in my furniture making. So I just appreciate that from him. So you guys go over there, watch the video, be sure to subscribe, give him all the support. I will be linking this in the description, linking his video in the description so you can go check it out. Keith, from me to you, man, I really appreciate the repair. You did an amazing job. I'm going to put this thing to use for the rest of my career. I can't wait to start making things and using it. And hopefully, if God willing, my kids might become craftsmen, they'll get to use it as well. I feel very confident that that repair is going to hold up for a long time. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm excited to have this on the bench. I'm thankful for my subscribers who help support this channel, and I'm thankful for Keith for taking on this repair and knocking it out of the park. So you guys go over, subscribe, watch this video, and as always appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next time.